Flatfelled seam or top stitching? If we talk about seams and we want to compare, one is not really better than the other. Each have their own use and they help you with different projects. Depending on the project you're going to make, maybe one is more suitable than the other. And if you like talking about sewing like me and sewing in general, consider subscribing. My name is Irene and I upload twice a week. I'll talk about sewing, I sew a lot, and subscribe so you don't miss anything. And you can follow me also on Instagram. Can I use more than one seam in the same project? Of course you can. This project has flat-felled seams on the shoulder, top stitching on the side seams, and then a double hem all around to finish it. It's a project that looks really good on the inside as well as on the outside, and every seam has its own purpose, and let's see it. Flatfelled seams and top stitching are both reinforcement seams, and they help you to make your first seam stronger because you are sewing on the same thing twice. So the first one is just to join the fabric, and the second one makes it stronger and nice because it's all hem on the inside. In order to sew flat-felled seam, you need to sew right sides together like you would always do, and then trim one of the salvage edges. And that way, what you're going to do is to fold the longer one on top of the shorter one, and then fold again. Drop it to the side, drop it to the ugly side, so you can sew again and you finish it completely. On the outside you're going to have another seam, of course. It looks nice in my opinion, and then on the inside it's completely finished. You don't see any raw edges. And to sew top stitching, you need to sew right sides together like you would always do, and then you have different options. You can fold both salvage edges to one side or open them. This is ideal when you have thicker fabrics like faux leather or leather, because you're going to make it stronger. There's not going to be any fraying in those kind of fabric, so you don't have to finish it. But if you use this kind of fabric with a thinner material like this one or any other, any denim or anything, you can fold again and make it nicer. These side seams are made like that. It looks really nicely finished because you don't see any raw edges and it's really strong. So which one is stronger, flat-felled seams or top stitching? In my opinion, in this case, flat-felled seams are stronger. You are folding to one side, and both of the seams are not giving up. They are not being damaged by any force because they are both working together. On the contrary, with the top stitching one, the first seam is the one that suffers because it's just a little seam, and you can, even if you force it a little bit, you can even see in between the two panels. So it's a bit of a weak point there, but it's also useful because if you want to make any openings or any slits on skirts or things like that, it's really easy to do because everything is hemmed and then you open the first seam, which is also a good advantage. So as I was saying, which one is better? It doesn't matter. It depends on the project, and it depends on the bit of the project you're making, because I've used both on this one and with good results. Because if I had made the side seams with a Flatfelled seam, I wouldn't have been able to open like I wanted it. I will have to add a button or a buttonhole or something to be able to tie the blouse. So it's really good to be open to different seams and to using them and to learn how to use them in different ways. Tell them in the comments if you've used these seams, if you use them in a daily basis, if you would like to learn how to use them or how to make other uses for them. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I love this community. I love the messages. I love your experiences, and you learn a lot. So it's just amazing. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you around. Bye.